The new treatment plant system installed by Wicklen Limited meets 2020 regulations by being more environmentally friendly. Waste is properly treated rather than just being stored. Both the treatment plant and the pumping station are installed at regulation depth. The smaller plant is used for rainwater, whilst the larger tank is used for treating waste. Wicklen Limited pride themselves on only using the best equipment and tools, and have a great range of trusted suppliers. Rural properties not on a main system are now required to treat their foul waste to be environmentally efficient. Wicklen Limited, the trusted drainage experts. A government-endorsed company with over 40 years of experience. Please call today.